Write an R.
Write an R.
Connect, color, hair and facial details.
Connect, color, hair and facial details.
Draw feet, water ripples, small hands, and light rain, rainy day boys finish.
Draw feet, water ripples, and light rain, rainy days girls finish.